With the Delta variant spiking, COVID cases are increasing statewide. The 7-day positivity rate is now up to 5.2%. Yesterday, there were nearly 8,000 newly confirmed COVID cases statewide. The California Department of Health says between January 1st and July 14th, 99% of COVID cases were among unvaccinated people. KPIX5's Wilson Walker asked a doctor what it's going to take to make a dent in the Delta variant. Wilson, what'd you learn?
Well, Alan, one of the hopes, I guess, in recent days and weeks has been that Delta fear will drive more people to get vaccinated. Well, that might be happening, but it's almost certainly not happening fast enough.
It took me a while to decide if I wanted to get vaccinated, so I just did it because of the new variant that's out now.
So the variant had you worried?
Yeah, I think so.
Delta on her mind, Lavinia Sanders walked into her neighborhood pharmacy and got a shot today. She is not alone.
Today, the White House tweeted out that there's been a 14% uptick in vaccinations just over this last week. Why? Because exactly the story that you just said. There is a lot on the Delta variant.
Do you think there are a lot of people that are in your boat who've kind of waited for a while and are thinking it over now?
Yeah, I think so, because the vaccination came about so fast, you know.
In Alameda County, vaccinations peaked back in April and flattened out by mid-June. There are no numbers to suggest any kind of surge in shots here, at least not yet. Dr. Monica Gandhi says if Delta doesn't drive more shots, talk of vaccine requirements for employment might.
It's going more towards the question of saying you can't come back to work unless you're vaccinated.
But cases are surging, and that is speeding up the clock so fast that it raises the question, is there any way to change the vaccination metric enough and fast enough that Delta slows down?
That's a sobering question that you just asked, is that this Delta variant, that's why we're all, putting in some more restrictions and people are masking inside. We are hoping that people get more vaccinated, but I'm not sure we can slow Delta specifically unless unless there's a miracle and people really just decide to get vaccinated.
You heard her, unless there's a miracle. I think that gives you an indication of what kind of needle moving we would need to see to really slow that variant down. Now, look, Alameda County hit 1 million people fully vaccinated today. It's like 70.7%, I think. They are still doing targeted outreach to specific neighborhoods, trying to fill in the gaps. I'm standing at one of those in Union City today. As you can see, the full menu of vaccine options here behind me. But you get the feeling that things are just not moving fast enough to slow the spread of this aggressive variant, Alan, and I think over the next couple of weeks we're going to see this race play out. And maybe another reminder for those who are not vaccinated, sort of which side of this you want to be on as that variant spreads around.
Yeah, we got to be more aggressive than the variant is, so that's going to take a lot of work. All right, Wilson, thanks.